The world didn't end with fire. It ended with rain. And the terrifying part? God didn't leave the door open. In the days of Noah, the earth was filled with violence. Humanity had corrupted itself beyond recognition. Every thought, every intention was bent toward evil. And the Creator saw it all. But in a world drowning in darkness, one man walked differently: Noah. He walked with God when no one else would. So God gave him a warning. A flood was coming, not a storm, not heavy rain, but a judgment the earth had never seen. And the instructions sounded impossible. Build an ark. A massive vessel in the middle of dry land. Imagine the laughter, the ridicule, the whispers behind his back. But Noah kept building, day after day, year after year. Then something changed. Animals came, 2 by 2, lions, elephants, birds filling the sky. And suddenly, the laughter faded. Noah and his family stepped inside. The sky grew dark. Thunder shook the earth. And then, God shut the door. Rain fell for 40 days and 40 nights. The fountains of the deep burst open. Mountains disappeared beneath rising waters. Everything outside the ark was swallowed. But the ark rose above the chaos, floating, waiting, surviving. And after months of silence, the rain stopped. A dove returned with an olive leaf. Hope was alive. When Noah stepped onto dry ground, he looked up, and across the sky stretched a rainbow. A promise. Judgment had passed, but mercy remained. Now ask yourself, if that door were closing today, would you be inside or watching it shut?